Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the Google Play Store onto your phone. And no, I'm not talking about your Android. I'm talking about downloading the Google Play Store onto your iPhone, bro. So as you can see, I opened it up right here and it's real. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. It's super cool, guys, fully working. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to get the Google Play Store onto your phone. Alright guys, so as you can see I have the fully working Google Play Store. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. It's super insane. As you can see, it actually works. It's pretty crazy, bro. So if you want to download it, guys, we need to go to ZooMods. This site's got like all the apps and games and stuff like that. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on this site, guys, go to the search bar and you just want to type in Play Store basically. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to type in Play Store, and as you can see, guys, it says Google Play Store. So just go ahead and press on that and wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try this out. And as you know, the Google Play Store is not on any devices except Android devices. But now I have it on my iPhone. So as you can see, guys, this actually works. It's super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you want to get Google Play Store onto your iPhone, bro. So yeah, it's super cool. I mean, this is insane, bro. So you basically just have to go onto this ZooMods and then go to the search bar and type in Play Store. So as you can see, it will come up, Google Play Store. So just go ahead and download it. So be sure to try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But subscribe to the channel, guys. It's super cool. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I got some Google Play Store, like iOS download, stuff like that. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because it's super cool, guys. This actually works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later, but hope you guys were able to use it. It's super insane. It actually works pretty well. So yeah, pretty cool. And yeah, it's not even requiring like a jailbreak or anything like that, which is awesome, bro. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel.